Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje okhipha nesenti-ke limnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi uthole zonke iy'ndaba esizokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke udaba ulethele lona namhlanje sekuvele laphana-ke iXhosa-ke laphana-ke lagadla-ke laphana kuJacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke laveza nanokuthi-ke abantu-ke base-KZN-ke ayikho-ke lento abayijabulelayo, abangajabuli ngoba bahlulekile ukuthola 50% ukuze bakwazi ukuthi-ke phela-ke i-KZN bayiphathe, i-MK iphathe yodwa-ke njengoba uhlulekile uthola 50%-ke laphana-ke igcine laphana-ke ko-49 something percent, 47 something percent, okusho ukuthi-ke kuzokwenza i-collusion, i-KZN ngeke bakwazi ukuyiphatha bodwa, bazoyiphatha nelinye-ke iqembu. Kusho leli Xhosa, kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi wezwa namhlanje into enza nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke yalo kuzwile yona. Ngicela lapha sizwile-ke le video lena, ungene kuma-comment section-ke ufishe umbono wakho, sicabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke. Lokhu-ke msicinze nebhathini nje subscribe nje, akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke limnyama-ke leli-ke. Nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
The 40% that the MK got in KZN, it won't help the people of KZN. It won't. Now it will form what is called coalition. And the government coalition doesn't help. There's no proper services in the government of coalition. They must learn from Gauteng. Government of coalition doesn't help at all. There's no proper services in that government. Mr. Jacob Zuma allowed the factionalism to take place against the ANC, of which is wrong. He is controversial. He once said, if you don't like Okazuma, forget about this Limasaka Zuma. Vote for the ANC. What he has done now. What he has done just to show up that he is powerful. Powerful for nothing. Because now that 40% in KZN doesn't help. It will form a government of coalition. And the government of coalition, as I said, the proper services are not there. You see? Are not there. Even the EFF is slightly affected with this Mr. Jacob Zuma thing. Even Inkatha is slightly affected by this. KZN people, you must learn what politics are. You must move away from tribalism. You must move away voting for individuals. We are building the nation here for our children. Come on, guys, man. Come on. We know that KZN is big. Mpumalanga is big. And the MK has got the southern side, those votes, of which it is in Mpumalanga. It's not the whole Mpumalanga. The southern side of Mpumalanga, it has got those votes. But guys, what we have done is a blunder. It's a disgrace to Mr. Jacob Zuma too. He must regret himself. He didn't get what he wanted. I would agree if he got 2/3 majority, of which now it won't be happening anymore. It won't. And what you have done doesn't help at all. It won't help even KZN people, that 40% you have got. You must get 50%. Now it's a backward fight. The ANC must correct itself, renew itself. This factionalism, Mr. Jacob Zuma, is a dent to the ANC. And you must regret for what you have done. And the MK with those votes goes nowhere. It won't help. It won't help at all. It won't. Please, guys. Please, man. Please. Kanifunda ukuthanda izwe. Kaniyeke ukuba tribalism. Fundani ukuthanda izwe, nithande ipolitics. You see? Yeke lento niyenzayo. Now, for instance, if I can take, for instance, Mr. Jacob Zuma to be a DA leader, it means now you will go and vote for the DA, of which is wrong. You must know the principles of the DA. DA is not fit to run for the country. It's only the ANC to run for the country. No other party except the ANC. Guys, come on, man. No, man. You must learn what politics are.